In this video, I share a game-changing home business. This is the easy way to make more money from home or anywhere else you want to be. This home business is different from all the others. It's a way you can start making money today, even if you are a beginner. No previous experience is needed. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I love making money from home. I've been doing it full-time for over 20 years now. The money is great, but what my wife Barbara and I really treasure is the time freedom it creates too. I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer while I'm building my business, while I'm making money. See, this is the home business you can do from almost anywhere. You do not need to be home to do it. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about home business and making money. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So let me be brutally honest with you. Most home businesses are more of the same old thing. Maybe you've tried one, maybe you're in one right now. If so, you've probably found a lot of what I've found over the 20 plus years I've been doing this. Too many home businesses are expensive to start and expensive to build. Usually, there is a bigger learning curve than expected. Frequently, the training and support are lacking. Few home businesses come with a proven marketing system, and they almost always turn out to be a lot of work and take way more time than expected. And then worst of all, too many times people fail to make good money. Well, those days are over. Here's what makes this home business such a game changer. First, of course, is our offer. It's something literally everyone wants. And I know you've probably heard that before, but when you get the whole story, I'll bet you agree. This home business is affordable. It's super simple. Anyone can do it. You can make money without recruiting anyone. It is not one of those MLM things where you have to purchase products. It's a global business in over 150 countries. And best of all, you can make money fast and enjoy long-term, recurring, or passive income too. Our team has a high converting sales funnel you can use to make more money and leverage your time. You can have massive success with us working just a few hours a week whenever it's convenient for you. This business is ideal for busy people. If you are tied up working a full-time job, going to school, or raising a family, this is for you. At the risk of sounding like I'm bragging, our training and support are second to none. Just one of the many reasons new people start making money their very first day with us. New team members are blown away when they see the training website, Facebook group, customizable promotional graphics and reels, and the team atmosphere. And then on top of that, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. Success is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. In just a few minutes, you can know for sure if this is for you. To learn more about this game-changing home business and to start making money today, take our online tour at easymoneypath.com.